Jack Doherty just got busted again, this time by an Airbnb manager who caught him breaking the rules on camera. And trust me, this wasn't some small misunderstanding, this was serious. The manager warned Jack he could actually face criminal charges for what he did after multiple neighbors complained. If you're filming me right now, that's a huge problem. You're filming inside private property, and the police will be here soon. Yeah, it got that real. But guess what? Jack isn't the only one in hot water this week. Adin Ross, who just kicked Jack out of a club days ago, got kicked out himself at NBA YoungBoy's concert. And to top it off, Twitch's CEO just lied to Kai Cenat Live during Mafia 3, sparking outrage and boycotts. So let's break down everything that went down, because this week in streaming is pure chaos. On 13th October 2025, Adin Ross pulled up to NBA YoungBoy's concert in Miami with his whole crew, DJ Academics, Kafem, Snaggy Hose, planning to live stream the event. But before they could even start, security told them, not enough wristbands. Adin tried to argue, tensions rose, and within minutes, they were thrown out. It's a mess, bro. I'm not gonna lie, we are out, man. It's cool. All that hype, all that setup, gone in seconds. And honestly, how does a streamer like Adin not double-check his access before trying to film a concert live? It's reckless, and fans are noticing. Some are even calling it karma, after the way Adin embarrassed Jack Doherty recently. Because sometimes, that energy really comes right back. Meanwhile, Jack Doherty has managed to dig himself into another mess, this time at an Airbnb property. The manager accused him of breaking several rules, filming without permission, and disturbing the neighborhood. You don't have permission to film here. Too many people, too much noise, and yes, you could be charged. Instead of apologizing, Jack argued back, saying anyone paying thousands a night has the right to film. His arrogance was unreal. At this point, Airbnb should just ban him outright. Jack has turned every luxury rental into a public circus, no respect for rules, neighbors, or anyone else. Police were even called twice, but Jack kept brushing it off like it was nothing. He flexed his money, claimed the owner approved the filming, which the manager denied, and tried to talk his way out again. It's clear Jack has become addicted to chaos. He'll risk his reputation, his money, and other people's property, just for views. And the worst part? He's influencing others to do the same. Take streamer HS Tikki, often called Jack Doherty 2.0. He was just arrested after a year-long manhunt for crashing a $200,000 McLaren. He's due in court this week. It's a dangerous cycle, reckless creators inspiring even more reckless behavior, all for clicks and attention. And while that chaos unfolds, Twitch is in its own controversy. Viewers are deleting the Twitch app after CEO Dan Clancy was caught lying to Kai Cenat during Mafia 3. During the event, Clancy named Kai as one of his Mount Rushmore streamers. But later, he backtracked, saying Kai isn't quite there yet. Fans were furious, calling Twitch two-faced and out of touch. And even after Clancy tried to clarify things in a recent internal meeting, the damage was already done. It just proves how hypocritical things can be at the top, where the people running the platforms don't actually respect the creators keeping them alive. So what's really happening to the streaming world? Adin getting thrown out, Jack breaking laws, Twitch lying to its biggest star, it's like integrity doesn't even matter anymore. Maybe fame really has become more important than respect. But what do you think? Is this the start of a major shakeup in online entertainment? Or just another chaotic week in the world of streamers? Drop your thoughts in the comments because this drama's far from over.